want no smoke with me. Been turn this up 800 degree. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, bon appetit. I'm a savage, attitude nasty, talk big, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with like a healthy what I eat in a day kind of cook with me video. Honestly, the past month I haven't been super healthy and I've kind of just been slacking on working out, and honestly it's just not been great, but I really want to get back into it because honestly throughout lockdown at the beginning, like I was doing really well and I don't want to throw all of that away. So I just kind of motivated myself to get back into it and, you know, just be healthy again. So that's what I'm doing, and I hope this video helps you guys do so too. I tried to go as keto as I could, like not completely, because I found that when I was doing that before I'd end up snacking loads at night, so it just kind of defeated the purpose. But it's still pretty healthy and just kind of low carb alternatives of comfort foods that I really like. So I hope you guys try them out because they honestly taste really good. But then I have this like detox drink and a green tea, which you'll see in a second. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So yeah, leave a comment down below if you tried any of these out, or tag me on Instagram. I would love to see. And I will see you guys next Monday with a brand new video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching guys.